Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Explore with Ishal and Fatma. In today's video, we are going to the world's largest shopping mall, which is the Dubai Mall. There are many parkings to enter in the Dubai Mall, but we are going to enter from the cinema parking. In this video, I will give you a virtual tour of the Dubai Mall. I will take you to the Dubai Mall's aquarium, the food courts, and the Dubai Mall's ice rink, which is also known the largest ice rink in the UAE. So watch the video till the end and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get more informational and interesting videos around the world. We have parked the car and we are about to enter the Dubai Mall. We are entering from the Gallery Lafayette. From this entrance, you will find your favorite brands. So guys, we are going upstairs towards the Dubai Mall's aquarium. On the second level of the mall is the underwater zoo. The underwater zoo has three unique ecological zones: rainforest, rocky shoal, and the living ocean. You can get the underwater zoo tickets from many sites, or you can buy it directly from here. After the zoo, now we are moving towards the food court. We are craving to eat a big, so we decided to get the nuggets from there. There is such a long queue for it because it is nearly open. So this is the food court of the Dubai Mall. On the right of the exit of the food court, you can enjoy the top view of the ice rink. Right in front of it, you can find the direction of Kidzania. Within few minutes, I will take you to the Dubai Ice Rink, which is on the ground floor. So just keep watching. The real cinema is right in front of the food court. Let's move towards the ice rink. For skating on the ice rink, you can get different packages with different timings. There are even DJ nights on weekends. And guys, soon we will upload a new video at the top of Burj Khalifa, so please don't forget to watch that. Today is a weekend, so right now a DJ night is going on. So guys, this was the end of the virtual tour. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button. Bye!